Sick helmet, super fresh.
No doubt, seal you all out. Pocket full of silver and gold. Way back when they made me one of them. Don't you know they're gonna save my soul?
What's up, guys? Welcome back to another YouTube video. We're out here with Lowlifestunts. He was just on the bike ripping, and we're getting ready for Daytona Bike Week. We got 10 or more shows going on.
Yeah, we're super excited. I've never been to Panama City before. Lowlife was nice enough to invite us down here to do some like practice and get used to the bikes again. Today's kind of our first real day back on the bikes for quite a while, since August and since September.
About 6 months.
And we just rebuilt our bikes and got some stuff working right, and so yeah, we're just here to test everything out. Super excited, and super excited to rip with Lowlife too. It kind of was out of the way a little bit, but whenever you're close enough to make it worth it to ride with someone you haven't ridden with before, I think it's a huge game changer for your own riding. It's more fun and all that stuff. So yeah, super excited to be here and ready to get some riding in.
Who's that on the other end of the phone? Didn't hear nothing when I said my hello. Oh well, to hell then we go. So high looking at heaven below. You know me though, from coast to coast, we're smoking dope. Overdose with the Holy Ghost, but hold the phone to hold my own. Was local grown, been killing that shit since road to boat. Bones goes to hold the throne, be honest. Smoke one drink, but be an alcoholic. I don't wanna think like that I'm unconscious. Need fresh air, everything's so toxic. I open coffin doors, 38 when it's time for war. Told my mama you ain't need no drama. You ain't gotta cry no more now. It'll be alright, my mind on the run, I won't sleep tonight. It's like when it all goes up in flames, so go hold me down. And I'm the chosen one, looking all around, what has the world become? The only way to change it is to burn it to the ground. I've been getting paid about 4 or 5 bitches in the Escalade, let it rain. This money feel the same, I'm afraid that I'ma drown. You've never been better than me. From this prison I'm setting them free. Open eyes, I'ma let you see. This world's just like our dreams. I'll throw it all away to celebrate one more holiday. I'm running to the edge, and when I get there, best believe that I'ma jump. See if I can fly. I wonder if I jump. Think that I can fly.
I didn't.
I've been waiting for a long time.
Such a long time. Ooh, this shit bliss, I'm so rich. Abs like Abercrombie Fitch. Millie on my Versace boxes on my dick. But like running through my piss. On a yacht, 50 meters, it's a fish. 50 carats on my fist. The roof go down when I hit switch. I'm money ball like Bradley Pitt. I work so hard for all this shit. Pumping out classics in the Batmobile, going bad shit. Such a long time. I've been waiting for a long time. Such a long time. I've been waiting for a long time. Such a long time. I'm in Central Pay, I had to check risk.
Alright, yeah, we had a nice lot session here on our way to Daytona. The boys are looking good today, and I think we're ready for some shows. So don't forget to like and subscribe. Check out the website at thedrifters.co, and we'll see you on the next video.
You'll never understand what my life is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Shit, I'm checking off my bucket list. You try to give advice, I don't need it.